Hello students, good morning. Welcomes you in my online class. Class 11th, only computer students. So, what is the digital number systems? Generally, our computer systems use binary number system, but the common number systems used are decimal, octal, binary, hexadecimals. There are four types: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. First we will read decimal number system. What is the decimal number system? Decimal number system represent 0 to 9 digits. So it is the base of 10 and generally it is used in real life and market, bank sector and schools, medicals, reservation, etc. Means which number system that represent 0 to 9 digit is called decimal number system. These numbers are made by 0 to 9 digit. Counting of digit is called base. Base also known as radix. For example is 7 to 9. 7 to 9 is a decimal number system because it is made from 0 to 9 digit. And the term is MHD and LHD. MHD means most significant bit. The most significant bits define left side bit and LHD least significant bit define right side bits. For example, 7 is called most significant bit and 2 is called least significant bit. Students, it is the example 25121797. Now before point the first digit to the position is 1, the position is 10, the position is 100, the position is thousands, and after point the position is 1 upon 10, the position is 1 upon 100 and 1 upon thousands and 1 upon 4. And second number is binary number system. The binary number systems use via our computer system. These numbers are two types, 0 and 1. 0 represent one false value and 1 define the true value. For example 1010 after point 0101, it is a binary number systems because it is made from only 0 and 1. Before point 0 first digit and base is 1, position is 1 and 1 second digit, the position is 2 and third digit 0, the position is 4 and 1 fourth digit, the position is 8. After point 0 the position 1 upon 2, 1 the position 1 upon 4, the position 1 upon 8 and the position is 1 upon 16. And most significant bit 1 and least significant bit 1. These are left corner and right corner. Now calculate the number is equivalent decimal. How can calculate, students? 2 power 0 into 0, 2 power 1 into 1, 2 power 2 into 0, 2 power 3 into 1. After calculation sum of answers and find the answer 10. And before point calculate, after point calculate this and sum and arrange. octal number systems. It is a very important in digital computer work. The octal number system use only 0 to 7 symbols. So please counting the 0 to 7 digit is equal to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so please, so the base is octal number system 8, or base also known as radix. Base and radix both are equal. The example is 3721 is a octal number system. After point 2406 is a octal number system, and first digit is 1, the base is 1, the base is 8, the base is 64, the base is 256, and after point the base is 1 upon 8, the base is, sorry, base means positions, the position is 8, 1 upon 8 power 2, the position is 8 power 3, and same it is the base 1, 16, 64, 256. And calculate octal number systems into decimal number system. How can calculate? And 8 power 0 into 1, 8 power 1 into 2, 8 power 2 into 7, 8 power 3 into 3. After this, sum of all answers and find the answer 2001. Same after point, calculate this and arrange. Now next is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system use 16 base. So this number systems use two types value, decimal value and hexa. Decimal value 0 to 9, and hexa means A to F. A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, and next 13, 14, 15. F define the 15th value. And counting of digit 0 to 9 and A to F is equal to 7. So base or radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. And examples of position of each digit after point and before point. First digit 0, 16 power 0 position. Second 16 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3, and 1 upon 16, 1 upon 16 2, and 1 upon 16 power 3, 1 upon 16 power 4. For example, 9ABC is a hexadecimal 1DCA, hexadecimal 2BF, hexadecimal number system. So next topic in my next video. Thank you.